The fastest way to build and grow an online business is simply to take the focus off on yourself. Instead of thinking, how do I build an online business? How do I generate leads, convert leads into sales? How do I build and grow an email list, nurture an email list? Instead of thinking all these thoughts of how do I build a brand? How do I this and that? How do I? You should take a step back and ask yourself, what can I do for someone else? How can I serve, impact, empower, edify, embody? What can I do for my community? What can I do? Which problem can I solve, knowing and understanding the demographics and psychographics that my niche market faces? What information do I know that can impact the world in a positive way? What can I do to utilize my gifts, my skills, my uniqueness, my hidden potential to simply do good for other people? What can I do to educate someone else? What can I do for you? That is how you start stepping up into the leadership role of an online marketer. You are solving more and bigger pain points so that in return, clients, customers are coming and being attracted to you, viewing you as the go-to professional expert that you are, and you know, they want your product, services, or join you in your venture or partner with you, whatever the case might be. That is how you build and grow a sustainable online business. Thank you and you're welcome.